Taurus yearly horoscope forecast for 2021. If you were to think of all the signs of the zodiac as a house, then Taurus would certainly be the foundation. You are the very definition of stability, consistency, and security. You often serve as a source of strength and support for the people in your personal life and in your career. You are an anchor upon which everyone can rely, even in the stormiest of seas of life. People have confidence in you because of the aura of stability that you exude. This year, you should find yourself the center of attention whenever a situation arises where others are lacking faith in themselves or in their circumstances. So a source of strength is needed at this time. You want to apply in your home and with your family, but it would just be as easily applied to work or community-related situations. Your down-to-earth nature makes it obvious that yours is an earth sign. You are easily approachable even when you're in a gruff mood because your integrity and dependability are always coming first. And with your intelligence and your dedication to whatever you choose to become involved in, you're a go-to source for problem solving. One of your less desirable traits, though, is your penchant for being rather stubborn. You're not a quitter, so you sometimes go beyond where you should just to prove your point. Try to work on that tendency this year so that you can take advantage of opportunities that will come up in 2021 that will require you to be more flexible.